Welcome to this tutorial on adding a simple payment button in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this guide, we will walk you through each action needed to incorporate a payment button on your website so you can easily accept payments. Begin by navigating to the WordPress homepage using your preferred web browser. When you arrive at WordPress, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you will find an option to log in. Clicking on the login option, you will be directed to a secure page where you can authenticate your identity. Instead of entering a separate set of credentials, use the provided option to continue with Google. This method uses your existing Google account, making the process smoother and quicker. After you click continue with Google, choose the appropriate Google account if you have more than one link to your device. Selecting the correct account will grant you access to your WordPress dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will notice a section labeled Quick Links on your dashboard interface. Within this section, look for the option that says Edit Site. Clicking on this option will activate the Site Editor, a dedicated environment where you can modify and update your website's design and content. As the site editor loads, you will see a listing of your websites. Choose the website into which you wish to integrate the payment button. This action ensures that all subsequent modifications apply to the selected site. Once your website dashboard is active, shift your focus to the top left corner of the screen where you will observe a plus icon. This icon indicates the addition of new functionality to your website. Clicking on this plus icon unveils a menu containing several widget options and blocks that you can add to your site. Within the displayed menu, carefully scroll down until you find the section designated as Monetize. This section is specifically curated for features that support revenue generation through your website. As you examine the available options in the Monetize section, locate the Payment Buttons feature. When you see this feature, click on it. By selecting the Payment Buttons option, you add a new payment button block directly onto your web page. This block can be customized to meet your payment requirements, offering an easy and efficient way to facilitate transactions. This step-by-step process guides you through logging into WordPress by leveraging your Google account, accessing the site editor, choosing the appropriate website, and finally adding the payment button from the Monetize section. Following these instructions closely will ensure that you have a functional and secure payment option on your website in just a matter of minutes. Enjoy the smooth integration and enhanced monetization capabilities that this simple addition provides.